Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm here in Chufu and I'm at the 10th Nishan Forum on World Civilization. Let's go. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at these women here. They're kind of like statues. They don't move. Oh my god, look at the main hall. That is amazing. Oh, this is very grand. Oh my lord. Since its opening in 2010, renowned Confucian experts, lovers of outstanding traditional culture, politicians and businessmen from all over the world have come to the Nishan World Civilization Forum, which has increasingly become an important window for the world to understand China and an important platform for cultural exchanges and mutual learning, an important bond for building consensus among human civilizations. It has demonstrated a grand vision of Chinese wisdom and integration with the world. Civilization is colorful through communication and enriched through mutual learning. The 10th Nishan World Civilization Forum is about to begin with the theme of traditional culture and modern civilization. Let's go. Wow, what a great ceremony. Now we're just heading out into the little break hall here, and you can see lots of the scholars and experts. So why don't we ask a few of them some questions? Let's go.
Confucius has been one of my ideal teachers, and I want to be a good teacher, so I'm really here to learn from all the scholars around and look at all the world leaders and get inspired. I think the main thing that should bind us from the past to the future is to be good human beings, and that's what was the main lesson from Confucius also, because good human beings will make good society. Good society will bring good leaders.
You could take any area, environment, economy, politics, society, family life, and you see the same thing, that you need to have grounding in traditional civilization if you're going to move forward.
This is a new big theme in Chinese society, which is how to integrate traditional Chinese culture or excellent traditional Chinese culture and the modern world, and also the modern social political system. And it's not an easy task, but that's why there's all these new events. And I do think it's possible.
We've been collecting over 40 years what is the ancient wisdom of the world's religions and philosophy, especially for views of nature, for ecological ethics, and for a flourishing, sustainable future.
这一届尼山世界文明论坛的主题是传统文化与现代文明。传统文化对于现代社会世界范围内的发展稳定具有很大的作用，对每个人的个体的思想修养和道德品行的完善提升有着重要的作用，能够提升每个人的道德内涵和思想品质，对社会治理、对人与人之间、不同的国家之间的文化交流、思想碰撞也有它可替代的作用。
After the opening ceremony in the morning, in the afternoon, throughout different halls in the venue, they will have dialogue on subtopics. This one is the Chinese path to modernization and Western modernization. So in this room, they'll have discussions, and there'll be like a round table talks where people can share ideas and concepts and just learn together. Countries again from around the world, teachers, scholars, businessmen, normal people, just having a discussion together. Over here, another discussion hall on civilization, exchange and mutual learning under global challenges. In this hall, man, this is a huge venue to have all these different halls and discussions going on. And also very internationally friendly. Obviously, if you don't speak Chinese and they have the earpiece, and they have 2 translators here. And over in this hall we have topics on civilizations in the axial age and contemporary society. Once again, we have the translators in the box to give everyone the correct languages that they need and enjoy this discussion, build a better world and a better future together. And over here we have some AI technology where it is a Confucius live room, and you just scan the code here and then you can ask your question or type in your question and find out all the information you want to find out about Confucianism. You can talk to the man one-on-one, find out the best information. He surely is the one who knows, Confucius. Okay, right now I'm just getting a coffee, and in true Chinese style, I'm not getting served by a person, I'm getting served by a robot. Look at this. I feel like I've stepped straight into the future. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Okay, okay, there we go. Thank you, Mr. Robot. And we have our coffee. Let me try it. Let me have my first sip. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. One of the meetings are taking place now. Just making sure to whisper, I don't want to disturb any of those scholars. There's so many experts and teachers and scholars everywhere that the teachings have overflowed into the corridors here. There's just learning going on everywhere. Now, a few of the scholars have finished their talks, so let's see if we can ask a few questions about Confucius.
Confucius have left a culture, a value, which can be shared with the rest of the world. That is what I can say about him. He's an exemplar cultural value to be known. Just like the ancestors in our African culture. If there are ancestors who have left the culture, who have transmitted culture to the children, those people are worthy to be known. And Confucius is one of these.
My main focus of academic interest is in Aristotle and in certain areas of Greek ancient philosophy, but there's a lot to compare, there's a lot of interest, and there's a lot to influence.
I think that offered very much to the global civilization. And I think that till this moment, vivid and offers much.
Well, first of all, I'm a big believer in harmony in diversity, benevolence and good life and everything that Confucius teaches us. I think it aligns really well with Western thought. I'm Greek, so Aristotle is someone that I've read and followed over the years, and I'm really struck with the similarities between the two philosophies. And I think what happens in our world, we tend to focus on the differences more than the similarities. So there's something about Confucianism and the Eastern way of life. I get the feeling that they focus a little bit more on the similarities. They don't have this need to dominate and to push their own point of view. And that to me is a better way of living.
Confucius, a philosopher of a great repute. Confucianism definitely is all set to become as a world philosophy. So that's what I think about Confucianism. And it's something, Confucianism as such has so much of connection with so many systems of thought that if Confucianism is attached with other schools of philosophy, I think we're going to be creating a better world than before.
Unfortunately, that is the end of my journey here in Chufu. We've learned so much over these past few days, and in conclusion, China's engagement with the world in sharing ideas about Confucius and cultural heritage alongside modern advancements paves the way for a more harmonious and enlightened global civilization. The 10th Nishan Forum on World Civilizations not only enriches individual societies but also contributes to the collective well-being of sustainable future for humanity. Anyway, so that is the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Signing off. signing off.